Well, hello there. It's your girl Angelina, bringing you another exciting beach adventure. Today, I'm standing on the shores of a true hidden gem, and trust me, you're going to want to add this to your bucket list. As I step onto the powdery white sand, I can feel it tickling my toes, reminding me of the carefree joys of childhood. The beach stretches out before me, glistening under the warm sun, beckoning me to explore its wonders. Oh, and let me tell you about the water. It's like stepping into a crystal-clear paradise. The azure blue hues are so mesmerizing, it's as if the sky has melted into the ocean. And the best part? The water is refreshingly cool, offering the perfect respite from the summer heat. As I walk along the shoreline, I can't help but admire the natural beauty that surrounds me. Towering cliffs rise majestically, adorned with vibrant greenery that dances in the ocean breeze. It's like being in a tropical oasis, a true escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And the wildlife here is simply breathtaking. Dolphins playfully leap through the waves, their joy contagious to anyone lucky enough to witness their acrobatics. And keep an eye out for sea turtles making their way to the shore, laying their precious eggs in the soft sand. It's a true testament to the circle of life. Now, one of the things that sets this beach apart is its sense of serenity. Unlike crowded tourist hotspots, this hidden gem offers a peaceful retreat, allowing you to connect with nature and find your inner peace. Whether you choose to meditate, read a book under the shade of a palm tree, or simply take a leisurely walk, this beach is a sanctuary for the soul. So, my fellow beach enthusiasts, if you're as captivated by this magical place as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button below.